Alrighty, let's find out how to use Desmos and finding factors. So let's say we were doing by hand, we're factoring, and we wanted to find our factors of a number. So let's say I want to find the factors of 42. So we're gonna put 42. We're gonna do it just like what we did on the inspires. So you do 42 divided by x. You're going to go to this little setting button right here. You're going to click it. You're going to put on the table. So when I go through, I can move the arrow. Oops. I can go up and I can push. I can keep on going. We don't really need the negatives, so when I want the positives, here we go. So 1 times 42 is 42. 2 times 21 is 42. So here's my factors right here. They're given it just like what we did in the inspires. Remember, we want only the whole numbers. We don't want the decimals.